Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nawariksa. My full name is Nawariksa Tanupermana. Here I am as the General Manager at PT Sinarcara Sempurna. On this occasion, I would like to introduce about the company profile, company history, as well as the important role of being a general manager in this company. PT Sinarcara Sempurna (PT-SCS) is a private company which is engaged in construction service, always business activities, trying to produce the right product on time and quality so that partner will always be customer. PT Sinarcara Sempurna was founded on June 25 and 2002 as a company limited by the date of establishment number 160 Notary Muhammad Zain Sarjana Hukum at Jambi in 2013. PT Sinarcara Sempurna made a transfer to Semarang City with the aim to develop the company. The success of PT SCS can last until now, cannot be separated from the continuing effort of the founder of PT SCS. Work with determination, idealism, enthusiasm, experience, hard work, and a solid team so that PT SCS can advance, developed, and trusted by customers. PT SCS very optimistic that the future development will be better and better, always upholding reputation and always accommodating aspiration and sharing with partner and government, as well as to establish social relationship with public. In carrying out the work of PT SCS, prioritizing environment sustainability by keeping waste the project implemented did not damage the viability, in particular around the project in the construction service business qualification according to Ministerial Regulation Number 8 PRC M 2009-11. PT SCS enters to the middle business class, or more precisely M2 class M2 EU 13. Total net worth of more than IDR 2 billion to IDR 10 billion. The private company is company name Sinarcara Sempurna PT, NPWP 02652984233100. Address in Jalan Karangrejo Barat, number 9, RT2 RW2, Tinjomoyo Village, Banyumanik District, Semarang City, Province of Central Java. Postal code 50262, country in Indonesia. As a person who takes care of management, the manager that is also follow the management function that generally exists the company. This management function include planning function. A manager takes part in planning the company's step in the company common goals with other rank. Manager also consider the necessary resources needed to achieve this planned goal. The main activity of planning in dreams include determining the goals of the organization. Apart from that, this also include the program and schedule of the activities and the preparation of a budget, the development of the producers and the establishment of policies also form part of planning activities. Setting function. In the regulatory function, managers must be able and coordinate their staff to achieve company goals. Managers are also responsible for completing the organizational structure in a company. Not only that, but he is also responsible in terms of giving authority and responsibility to everyone involved as managing the organization. Oversight function. Manager will supervise their staff to be able to determine whether they are well formed or should be improved. Leadership function. Managers must be able to finance in order to determine the steps that must be done to achieve company goals. Ability. In the most important ability that a manager must possess and master. Evaluation function. The manager's job in the last management function in the work that has been done. And the last is the duty of a general manager. In general, the duties of a manager include: number one, controlling and managing the division he leads. A manager has a obligation to ensure that the steps carried out by his division have gone according to the initial plan or are right towards the company's goals. Number two, building trust between staff. As the leader of a group of people, the manager's job must also know how to keep strengthening his team, one of which is by maintaining close communication. Communication is the main key in a relationship, including the relationship between work groups. Next, developing company quality. Apart from managing and controlling the division he leads, another manager's job is to develop the quality of the company. If the company is profit oriented, then it is the manager's job to achieve this predetermined profit. Next, evaluating division work. Everything that has been done according to the command of a manager cannot be assessed as the effective or not if there is no evaluation. Conducting this evaluation is also part of the main duties of a manager, because with this evaluation, a manager can determine whether what has been done is in accordance with the company's goal or not. Become a mediator and solver of company problems. There can be not company that does not have a problem in it. Here, a problem solver is needed so that the company can run back to normal. Being a mediator and being able to solve problems is also part of the manager's job. They must be able to provide ideas and solutions to issues that are currently being experienced by their company. That's all I can say. If there is a wrong word, apologize and thank you for the time and screen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.